Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this LAKWAR 10 to 25 compact binoculars for adults and kids if you like. It's a high power mini binoculars with FMC and BAK4 HD wide viewing. It's small and portable. That's really cool for bird watching, hunting, hiking, concerts, festivals, sports, and so on. It's compact and portable as you can see. These are small binoculars that can be carried in our pocket. It weighs only 1.5 pounds and have a palm size volume of 4.5 to 2.41 inches for example. That's very light and very compact. We can carry these binoculars anytime and anywhere to observe the beauty scenery on the go. And we become high performance images. 10 times magnification and 25mm objective lens with a wide field of view of round about 303 feet. These are 1000 yards, 7.1 degrees. So that to get a wider image. That's equipped with BAK4 Porro Prism and fully multi-coating. That's bring higher light transmittance and color reproduction. The image we can see will be clearer and more realistic. Even when observing night city scenes, for example, these binoculars also have a clear low light vision. That means it's not completely dark. And a comfortable vision. The binoculars are equipped with a 0.1 inches exit popping diameters and a 1.1 inches exit popping distance. The popping adjustment range from 2.2 inches up to 3, which can bring a more comfortable vision experience, so that our eyes will not feel tired. Adjustable eye cups are also great for people with glasses. And as you can see, easy to use and fast focusing. We can quickly log and observe objects through the smooth right eye and center the focusing system. Both adults and kids can easily get started with that binoculars. It's either for outdoor and gift givings. The small binoculars are very suitable for outdoor activities such as bird watching, concerts, sports, gaming, hiking, sightseeing, and traveling. And of course, it looks really professional as you can see. LAKWAR is deeply engaged in the field of civilian optical products with more than 10 years of R&D and sales experience. That's providing customers like us with the professional products and services. LAKWAR's products include telescopes, binoculars, monoculars, microscopes, spotting scopes, night vision goggles, and other products, each of which has been professional built. We're looking forward to our meeting with LAKWAR. 10 to 25 compact binoculars, portable and powerful, on the go. We can discover the wonderful world anywhere. That's palm size, only 1.5 pound, low light visions, water resistance, 2.5mm exit popping diameters, 303 feet or 1000 yards field of view, BAK4 than FMC, and 10 times more zoom. This is an ideal binoculars, also great for everything. It's a compact size. The BAK4 Prism fully multi-coated means that the binoculars are equipped with these fully coated lenses and Porro Prism, which provide a clearer, more lifelike image and enhance our viewing experience. And wide and comfortable view is on the go. 10 times magnification, 1000 yards, 303 feet field of view, and a 2.5mm exit pupil diameter brings a wide image and a comfort viewing experience. No eye strain even when watching for a long time. And low light vision, baby. The binoculars can be also used in low light conditions, such as twilight scenes, city neon light scenes, night concerts, and so on. And of course, it's water resistant. The compact and sturdy design makes this binoculars high quality water resistant, protecting them from rain and splashes. But it's not completely waterproof, of course. And of course, it's easy to carry. With this binoculars neck strap and a carry case, we travel are even easier with it. and palm-sized binoculars that are just like our phone. We can easily take them with us, whether we use it walk, horse binoculars, or as a second pair. They are the perfect binoculars for us, of course. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.